Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing and choosing a VPN quickly. Confirm identity and payment works, and verify using it won't break local laws. Next, pick a provider with reliable servers in the country you want. You need good latency and strong encryption. Decide which protocol serves your needs: WireGuard for faster streaming and lower battery use, OpenVPN if you want broader device support. Once done, create your account and store credentials securely, and make sure you have access to the email used for activation. You now install and configure the VPN app on the device you'll use most. Download the official client, then log in with the account you created. Make sure two-factor is enabled if available. Once in, enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops, and pick a server in the country you want. Adjust protocol and DNS leak protection to prevent data leaks, and use split tunneling when you need local and foreign traffic, separated for best performance and privacy. You finish by testing and using the VPN. Confirm your IP and virtual location with an IP check tool and load the services you need. If performance is poor, switch to a different server in the same country, try another protocol, or enable obfuscation to bypass blocks. If a site is still blocked, clear browser cache, change VPN port, or use the provider's smart DNS. One troubleshooting tip: collect diagnostics, timestamp server choices, and contact support. Having this info speeds resolution dramatically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.